Hey guys, Cowboy Keith here, and coming to you from my live home office in Carlsbad, California. And I wanted to talk a little bit about, here's a couple of pictures of me, and this is a book that I wrote. It's called From Agent to Investor, How to Graduate from Chasing Deals to Creating Wealth in Real Estate. It became a #1 best-selling ebook on Amazon. I'm a real estate investor, a real estate agent, live here in Carlsbad, California. But what I wanted to talk to you today about was a company I've been working with recently. They're a credit repair company. And, my credit got messed up in the crash way back in 2007. And to be honest with you, I haven't done anything with it since. I joined them about 4 or 5 months ago as I'm recording this. And I just want to show you the results, because I don't want to just say something and not have it be true. But here you can see this was my credit score back. I think this was June of 2018, if I'm not mistaken. And I wanted to show you what my scores are today. You can see my scores today are 739, 664, and 705. So we went from 517 that's a 200 and something point jump. That's a 150 point jump. That's almost a 200 point jump there. Pretty amazing stuff. Now, I followed some of the stuff, and I put a little more effort in than just letting them do everything. I mean, I did have to do a few things, but I just wanted to show you this, and this stuff works, guys. I mean, it hasn't been 6 months. My scores are up over 200. My minimum score there is 660 with, you can see 64 with Experian, which will qualify me for most things that I'd be interested in qualifying for. So just wanted to give out a shout out. Thank you. This is awesome. I love it. You need to have good credit, right? If you're going to be a business person, you need to have good credit. It's very helpful. Changes a lot of things for you. So anyway, check it out. It's a great opportunity, and we'll see you guys on the other side. All right. Bye-bye.